Kayamata seller don't talk say Obi Cubana get spiritual protection and say her product no go fit work for him body. For those of now we don't know wetin be Kayamata, this one just be like one kind medicine been as something. If it be in form of waist bead, be in form of wristband, and so this thing be. But the thing get spiritual charm. I won't even talk am. You feel use a whole man, you feel use am. In fact, if you tell your husband say abi your man say give me 1 million sharply, the money don't land. In fact, this one just be like calling. It just be like something they use they call man. And so this kind thing be. Now there this Hawa Muhammad where everybody know as Jaruma. She can't come outside and talk say it be like say women don't they disturb her. They don't they complain about this thing, say they need this protection for Obi Cubana. Say they won't use them on top of Obi Cubana. Now there she said come outside and talk say this thing you know if you work on top of people who be say they be billionaire. You know they work on top of people who don't get money because of certain. Then these people get spiritual protection. And say the only way to take access then these people now for them to break this penetration. Hey, on they see Juju in digital form. So now until they break this kind of penetration before all these kind of things go happen. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
To all the girls that want Obi Cubana, you want to date Obi Cubana, the billionaire Obi Cubana, you want him to be yours, you want him to be your sugar daddy. Do you seriously think Obi Cubana doesn't have spiritual protection? I've been telling you guys this for more than 10 years. Rich people like Obi Cubana, billionaires like Obi Cubana, they have spiritual protection. You can't just go and take Obi Cubana and just make him yours just like that. You think he's just sitting around waiting for you to use Jaruma products on him? He's waiting for you to get Jaruma products and take him away? No, Obi Cubana has spiritual protection. They all do. I've been telling you guys this for how many years now? All rich billionaires have spiritual protection. So if you want to penetrate them, you have to break the protection, the spiritual protection, and also they're wise, they.
Ladies, on I don't hear abi. I know say most of na don't go slide inside this gate. They ask a different kind of question. But now they say women, we get longer throat. Longer throat because of ordinary barrier we perceive. One, I see different type of currencies where they spray this man. Because of this one, now every girl won't chook eye inside this man matter. Every girl won't cash out because of this whole thing. But I beg Auntie Jaruma, this Kayamata, you sure say this thing they really work? Because I think say this Kayamata said now Chioma talk say she used to hold the video. But look, relationship don't crash. So I won't come the ask, you sure say this thing they really work? I be just they sell your market. Because I believe say some people don't use this one. Make I even use example. Regina Daniels, she used this one on top of net and she marry him. Sure you won't talk say net will get money, almighty money. He no get spiritual protection. I be you won't talk say as net dey like that, he no get any power to take protect himself. If let's say this lady, she just won't come outside, just won't come talk. Maybe she just want advertise her business. Say, okay, Kayamata or ide, and I no go surprise. Our ladies, you know go surprise say some people go still go meet and say they won't buy. Say they won't buy, take hold their husband, take hold I beg because of man. Or now they do things now one tie person down, tie person destiny. Because of what? Because of this kokoro and money. Hey! Ladies, and we they really do things. The kind of what they do, it they won't surprise me. But I beg, if this Kayamata really they work. In fact, I should say people go don't use on big people. I beg, Mrs. Cubana, make I give you advice. You better hold your man tight and strong. If na prayer you go use stay hold abi na juju just hold am down because now ladies are not smiling. They don't put eye for this man matter. They don't chook eye for an eye. Say they won't even snatch am from you. But people no even dey wise. Making a reason this man bet on I don't forget say this man no be him money even use. Now people now they spray am this money. Now people now carry things they give am. The wine where they drink now people bring am. There's so many 300 cows. About how many cows? Now people give am. Why I no go raising then these people? Why I no go meet then these people? So okay, now these people now be the billionaire. Why not only Obi Cubana matter now na come put iPhone? In fact, now this Obi matter, it don't tire me every day. This one Obi Cubana do this one. Obi Cubana, it don't tire me. And our lady said because of longer, I beg making her they calm down. Last, this one just talk Juju pass Juju. It means say Jaruma Juju, it just in fact, it just start to the go gym. It means Obi Cubana Juju, the thing don't graduate. This one a spiritual one. For her to talk say this thing no fit work. So ladies say make na just go sit down, pack herself for one place because they don't talk and say this thing can only work. Make her just generate for a poor person. Because anybody wey get money, the person don't get protection. So make na go dey find na poor men to use this thing on top. Oh. My people, abeg, I hear this one. As make I bring am come, make na say this na ear. Hear wetin dey happen. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, what just yarn, make na no forget to write am inside the comment section. Make na no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you for the next video. Dem don arrest one man for killing his girlfriend and raping her corpse. Hey! See wetin human being dey do. You go rape dead body, you know they even fear. We identify this guy as Adebayo Kingsley. This guy, the same be 23 years old. He go kill his girlfriend. Make I no even talk. Make na look this man face. This kind face resemble 23 years old person. Person wey face strong like Akpu, na be 20. Hey, now what? They could just they lie, they change age anyhow. But this man girlfriend, we gotta say she be 46 years old lover. Hey, sugar mommy things in place. You know, see your mate where you go follow. Now this kind small boy, now you can't follow. But as you gather our information, I don't know what it cause wahala between these two people. Before we go see this guy, this Kingsley of a guy don't carry kpako, carry plank. They knock this woman for head, will lead to this woman death. But in that situation, this man still carry this plank again, hits the woman 13 years old son self for head. As this thing happen, in conversation, say okay, now everybody don't die, maybe they don't die. In going on in peace. Now there, God just want to spare this boy life so that the boy will come outside, can't give testimony. Now there, this boy can't wake up consciously. You say, you see what happen now? How come? But thank God say this boy no die. Now here, the guy can't go meet his neighbors. Tell us, see what my mommy boyfriend do? He don't kill my mama. But first thing first, in fact, I like them this tenants, I better or call them. Immediately they rush this guy, go hospital, go check him first because this is why they don't use kpako knock you for head. Make you not be say we come here say you don't get internal bleeding or something. They carry and go hospital first before they come call police. Now there this boy come narrate say behind him and the mama they get some kind argument. Now there this guy can't use this stick. Knock the mama for head as he do and finish. Person wey don't die, sleep lifeless. This boy can't carry him body again. Say he wants to rape. Why people be like this? You won't come and rape this kind of person. Hi! So people they very wicked. But as the matter be, this boy self know this guy office. Now they carry them this police go this guy office. Me they go. Immediately the guy see them immediately now in jackpot. See person wey don't do bad, he know even wrong. You still can't get mind, get moral, go sit down for office say they work. Now they try chase this guy, can't catch him. But as they catch him, now they himself can't confess. Say true, he do this kind of thing. Oh, now the reason this one no be ritualist. Because how you go they sleep with person who don't die? I just say this guy now one kind blood moon, I be something I won't do. Now I make him go sleep with this girl. I been a woman, I been a won't call her. I just say Babala don't tell us if you sleep with another your money go come. But as it be like this, plus the money, plus the nothing where you go see. Because everything don't spoil. Now inside jail, now you go they see that money. Because nowhere where you won't see this kind of money. How you go get mind? Some people get mind though. Some people really get mind. You there, you kill person. You never reason I say, I don't kill person. Or maybe you go there sad, you go stay for one place, maybe they mourn. Instead, they go about in daily life, they pretend like say nothing happened. See all these people where they bind the spiritual devil, in fact, the devil they inside Nigeria now. Now, how human beings now be the devils now when I suppose they bind. Because devil just they in one place in peace. Now people now they imitating things. In fact, Nigeria, if you survive, they supposed give you certificate of survivor. Because the kind of things where people they see inside this Nigeria, you could be surprised, say, we never even enter hell. See the two way they happen. If people can't enter hellfire, what did they won't come they do? Hey! Nigerian people and Nigerian citizens, they surprise me. But this man only surprised 23 years old guy. Like this work, you know, see and do. Your mate, your age mate, you know, see and date. Mama will be say she go fit born you ×2. Now you go carry. So you want use her sugar mommy, you want use her on a date. That one no come reach you. You can't decide say you won't come go kill her on top of waiting. Nothing. Maybe now money you won't do. Behind now waiting. We never know what you want is the thing do. But some people they need, I don't know, behind a spiritual healing or being a jail. This one I pray say they go just give her the right judgment when in this because I know if judge her. Or I say I don't know what I will go behind a sentence, they go sentence and more. I bet they go kill himself. I think don't keep person. I don't know what they won't give her. But anything where they give you and what you deserve, now you see you. My people, I beg, I hear this one. I say make I bring and come. Make na service na here. Here what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make na don't forget to write down for the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video.